So we're here today to provide advice and guidance to anybody who's looking for a career in transport or just some career advice in general. The idea is to give people a bit of confidence about how to apply, what opportunities are around in the industry, and any information and any practice in any of the assessments that we would do for any of these jobs. So a lot of the partners that you see around us today are actually part of what we've got that's called the Craidd Alliance. So the Craidd Alliance, which is Welsh for core, is a collective of companies in the industry, and we're working together as one partnership to solve some of the issues that we have in the industry. All we're trying to do here is make sure that our workforce represents as much of our customer base as possible. We want to look up and down our platforms and see our own workforce representing that community of which we serve.
So we're here to find talent in the most disconnected areas of our contracts, and it's really important that we come together as allies, have a diverse panel to make things more relatable for the community.
Being part of the scheme for TfW gives us this opportunity to be right on the ground where we're working, speaking to people and hopefully getting them involved on the project.
Community engagement is absolutely at the core of what we're doing here. Building a railway, connecting communities, is really important that people feel part of that, they feel included in that, and they know what opportunities there are to come along that journey with us, to work with us, and what difference that wonderful piece of railway is going to make to them in their lives.
Really informative. Everyone here has been extremely friendly, very knowledgeable. I've got some contacts, I've got some email addresses I can talk to, so yes, very helpful.